Who's your favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Arre, king of Khans. So what's your name?
Myself, Syed Arish.
Syed Alish.
Arish, A-R-I-S-H.
Syed Alish.
Arish.
Harish.
A-R-I-S-H.
Arish.
Yeah, remove H from Harish.
Yeah, I know. Syed Arish.
Yeah.
Okay, hi Harish. Where are you from?
I'm from Chhattisgarh, back actually.
Chitradurga.
Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh.
Yeah.
Okay. How long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
It's been like a year.
1 year. So what do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm studying at BTech, Computer Science.
Okay, which college?
CMR University.
CMR University. Okay, what do you want to become in future?
Probably businessman. I run my agency actually.
Okay, you run your own agency.
Yeah, web development agency.
Web developing agency.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So you have any favorite song of yours?
Songs? Nah.
You don't have any song? You won't listen to any song?
I mean, probably like one Ed Sheeran's Perfect. Ed Sheeran, Perfect.
Okay.
That'll be the only song I probably.
Nothing in Bollywood, nothing in
I don't
Hollywood,
really,
nothing like
care
that.
about like songs and all. I don't listen.
Okay, that's good actually. Tell me something which is famous at Chhattisgarh.
Something that is famous. No idea. I don't.
You don't know.
It's like in all of the states in India, it's like one of the basic states.
Basic
It
states.
doesn't have anything.
Okay, I
Doesn't
think
have
the
any
comment
focus.
section will be filled with this. You know, something which is
Yeah, they'll
famous.
be saying like, oh,
Yeah.
this, there it is. Like, I live in only one city, Raipur. That's why.
Okay. So that was good. We'll start. So yeah, it's just a normal street photography. You no need to give me that high profile poses and all. You can just stand normally and give me some normal poses. That's it. It's okay. Just stand. Na, I'll take. Just see the photos over here. How it's coming. So you can flex if you want.
You want me to flex my one bicep like this?
Something like that.
Okay.
To show off your physique. It's okay, just stand there.
Doesn't look that much big to be honest. In my eyes, like.
No, for me, it is big.
Body dysmorphia, I don't. Doesn't look very big for me, to be honest.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, from how long you are doing the gym?
Probably like 2-3 years. I never went to gym actually. It's like I'm doing it in my home.
Same here, bro. I do in my home itself.
My parents don't allow me to go to gym.
Yeah, that's
Then I
actually.
heard from someone like my sister's friend brother died because he was doing bench press and he just left the entire bench.
Okay. Some accidents in the gym, right? So it happens.
Because of that, my parents are not allowing me to go to gym.
That is actually good. In home now, you can, pick up your own time. You can do how much ever you want.
I've seen people who go to the gym still they don't have like
This much physique. So what do you take, intake, you take any proteins?
nothing. I don't need anything like that.
You only...
Like whatever they make in PG or whatever my mom will make in home, that's what I do.
Okay, some natural physique with natural food.
Nothing is there. I mean, these days I'm trying to get my protein intake, but I can't. It costs too much money to
Yeah, I can understand it. So even I'm doing basically, I'm not much of a mass person. I'm a lean person. So I'm trying to maintain the leanness. Yes. So yeah, you can give me something else. Like, we'll show your triceps over here. Like this. Yeah, something like that. That came good.
Okay, good.
See?
Okay, yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
See, I'll take this one. This is damn good, I think. One for biceps, one for triceps, one for shoulders, one for wings. Yeah, something like that. You keep on changing, okay? I'll keep on clicking, you keep on changing. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, bro. See, I've taken multiple photos over here. Around 30, 40 photos I've taken.
Then you choose only 3 or 4.
Yeah, which is best. Best of best one I'll choose. So, bro, Chhattisgarh, right? Maybe rotis are famous over there, I think.
Yeah, rotis, like it's every day. Like in breakfast you eat roti, in the afternoon.
Different kind of rotis, aloo roti, paneer roti.
Yeah, it's common everywhere, I think so. Except like South India. Like dosa.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, we'll check this out.
It's not bad.
Yeah, bro. Actually, you have a photogenic face.
Do I?
photogenic face. Yeah, you can actually go to modeling also if you want.
I've actually seen like when if I'll take picture from my back camera now, my face will be very weird because my lips on the other side look weird.
It is you judging yourself. You shouldn't judge yourself. You should let people judge you. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. I don't really like my face to be honest.
People will like, bro. People will like.
They look ugly.
Anyway, it was nice talking to you. Thank you.